Hey everyone, Adrian from the Sounds of Accra podcast, and in this episode, we're going to take a look at a brand new podcast segment called Unboxing. And I'm sure you guys have guessed it, this podcast segment is all about unboxing a brand new product from a Ghanaian founder, entrepreneur, or creative. So let's get straight into it, all right? So in this episode, we're going to take a look at unboxing Honam Naturals 4-piece beard kit, all right? Now, the name Honam Naturals may sound familiar because if you've been following this podcast for a little while, or maybe you joined us from season 4, you remember that Honam Naturals was the sponsor from season 4, all right? Now, Honam Naturals is a brand that we've been aware of for quite some time. We've been working on them for quite some time now. They came on season 1 and they told us our journey. And since then, I've been a big fan of their products. I've been using and I've been buying their products, and I have to say that they do a fantastic job. There's a lot of products out there, especially when it comes to body and skin care management, which is filled with lots of chemicals. But the great thing with Honam Naturals is that their products are filled with only natural ingredients, and they shy away from the harmful chemicals, which can be bad for our skin and for our body and can be bad for our environment. And that's why I'm a massive fan of Honam Naturals. And not only are these products natural, when you apply them, you feel great, you feel clean, and you look great as well. So this is why I'm a massive fan of Honam Naturals, and this is why I always jump at any new product that they release. And yeah, they sent us this product all the way from Canada, and yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing. So yeah, if you guys don't know about Honam Naturals, they are a Canadian Ghanaian organic skincare line. They've been around for quite some time now. They're even stocked now in Walmart and Amazon. And they even have their own online store. You can head over to www.honamnaturals.com. All right. So let's talk about this brand new product. Now, this product unboxing is mainly aimed at the guys, but ladies, if you're watching, this is a fantastic product that you could probably pick up for a spouse, a partner, a boyfriend, or maybe a family member, or even a friend. Or you can even tell them about it, and they can go out and get it themselves. We'll leave links to the product in the description below, so have a look out for that. And yeah, let's get straight into this unboxing. So this 4-piece beard kit comes with 4 products, all right? So it comes with beard oil, beard balm, beard conditioner, and beard shampoo. I'm going to talk you through each product. So the beard oil is fantastic. It's made with a blend of natural ingredients. So it's made with vitamin E, jojoba oil, and it's made with tea tree oil as well. So this blend is perfect because what this blend does is that it helps to promote healthy beard growth, and it helps to promote healthy looking beard. But in addition to that, it also helps to prevent itchiness and irritation with beards, which some guys can have an issue with. So this product, it should be used in a guy's daily beard routine if you have a beard, all right? And then you have the beard balm. So the beard balm is fantastic. It helps to make your beard look lush, to helps it looking very hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. So this could be like a supplementary product to the beard oil. So let's say you've applied the beard oil before you start the day, and let's say the day has been going by, but then your beard starts to maybe look a little bit dry. It needs a little bit, you know, of a bump. So what you do is you get the beard balm, you apply it, and then your beard will look a lot more shinier and a lot more nourished, you know, as it did in the morning after applying the beard oil. So the beard balm is a great top up to the beard oil, and is a great product to use throughout the day if your beard needs that sheen looking once again. And then you have the beard shampoo and then the beard conditioner. So the beard shampoo, this is a fantastic product. This could be used maybe towards the end of the day, or maybe even at the start of a brand new day. And what this product does is that it washes away all of the dirt, all of the impurities that the beard may have picked out throughout the day or throughout the night. And then what it does is that it makes the beard look healthy, and it makes it look clean once again, all right? And then you have the beard conditioner, and then the beard conditioner, of course, will help the beard to look nourished. It'll help it to look, you know, manageable, soft, and clean, and it gives it that nourished, shiny, clean look after you've applied the beard shampoo. Okay, and this is a great product to use after you've used the beard shampoo. So that's a little bit about the 4-piece beard kit. Okay, so I've talked about beard oil, the beard balm, the beard shampoo, and the beard conditioner. I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you can purchase this product if you like. It's a fantastic product. I mean, this is great because this has everything that a man needs all in one. You don't have to go into the shops and look through the shelves to find different individual products. You have everything in one box. And also the great thing about the 4-piece beard kit is that everything comes in travel friendly sizes. So if you're on the go, if you're on the move, or you're flying out somewhere, this will fit perfectly in your travel kit, and you can get through airport security no problem. It's just a fantastic product, and you can use the product in so many different situations, whether you're traveling, whether it's a gift, whatever, right? So there you have it. This is the Sounds of Accra unboxing of the Honam Naturals 4-piece beard kit. If you guys are looking to pick one up, or you pick one up, let us know in the comments, or you feel free to drop us an email, info@thesoundsofacra.com. Let us know your thoughts. If you have any feedback for the manufacturer, let us know, we'll pass it on. And other than that, looking forward to hearing about the beard kit usage, and we'll catch you again in another unboxing. Thank you very much.